there, thanks for tuning in. I'm Sally. One of the things that I do is I coach people on health and wellness and good nutritional habits and so forth, which by the way are very different from what most of the mainstream media and the food industry are telling you. That's a whole different story. We can talk about that at length. This is just a short intro to some videos that I actually shot previously in my Sticks and Bricks kitchen. But it's also recipes that I would make in my RV all the time anyway and do. So I thought rather than having to reshoot those videos, I'd kind of repurpose them here for you so that you can see what kinds of things you can do. The two primary instruments that I use when I'm cooking in my RV, I use my Instant Pot a lot and I use my air fryer a lot. I love both of those things and for a couple of reasons. Neither one of them heats up my RV kitchen, and summers are getting warmer pretty much no matter where you are, and heating up the kitchen on a warm summer day, just not my favorite thing to do. Now, I'm fortunate. I have a fair amount of solar and I've got lithium batteries, so I can live off grid pretty much continuously without any issues. And one of the ways that I kind of manage my power consumption is I have a tendency to do most of my more intensive electric type cooking earlier in the day, so that I've got pretty much all day for my solar to be able to catch my batteries back up if I've depleted them more than I would otherwise have done. So that system works really well. Anyway, I hope you enjoy this video. Please do check it out. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Hey gang, here's what's cooking this evening. I'm going for one of my favorite easy winter soups. This is a combination of cauliflower and celery, mostly celery. So we're going to get this started with about a tablespoon of coconut oil in the Instant Pot. You know I love my Instant Pot. And we're going to let that melt for a moment and drop in some onion to start sauteing. And then I've already cut up about half a head of cauliflower florets, and we'll be adding those along with an entire bunch of celery, which I will clean and chop in just a minute. One of the things that's really cool about this recipe is because it's going to get done in the Immersion Blender. It doesn't have to, you don't have to chop anything like super small, so you can see, I haven't made a fine dice of my onions. And usually I would probably use a sweet yellow onion just because it wouldn't have the color, but I don't have any. And you guys may have noticed that's a bit of a theme with me. I use whatever I've got available. So this is going to be pretty simple. We're going to saute these for a few minutes. And I'm going to get busy cutting up the celery while that's happening. Okay guys, we've released most of the steam. We've got just a second to go here. It finished its cycle about 9 minutes ago. It's been on keep warm. I'm going to go ahead and shut it off. Let's open it up and give it a stir, see what we've got. So I probably didn't need the extra water, but better to be safe than sorry. I always prefer that over, going in the other direction. So, yeah, we're all good to go. The vegetables are well cooked. The smell is amazing. Wish you could smell it. What we're going to do next is go ahead and stick in the Immersion Blender. And we're going to do some blending here. So we're all ready to go. Sticking it right in. This will take a few minutes, about 2 minutes. All right, so we're all blended up. Now we're going to dish it up. And it looks beautiful. It smells awesome. So I really encourage you to try this one. If you do, leave a comment down below. Let me know what you thought of it. And so what I'm going to do is garnish this with just a little bit more dill, both because it's pretty and it tastes good. So I'm just going to put a few little sprigs there, just like that. And look how pretty that is. It's beautiful. It tastes great. You're going to love it. Hey, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. And leave a comment down below of what you think. If you've tried the recipe, if you've got some ideas about how to make it different or better, that would be awesome. Look forward to seeing you next time.